Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how a website works, but without any complicated terms, we'll use a simple analogy like a car to make it easy to understand. A website is really just like a car with two main parts. The first part is the front end. Think of it as the car's exterior. It's everything you see and interact with. The design, the colors, the buttons, and the text. When you browse a website, the front end is what lets you see the images, read the content, and click on things. It's that makes it's what makes it look good and feel easy to use. The other part is the backend. This is the car's engine, the part that works behind the scenes and what you never see. The backend handles all the heavy lifting. It's where your information is stored and is processed. The more complicated requests you make, like logging in or making a purchase, the back and the front end and the back end are separate, but they need each other to work together perfectly. So, how do they talk to each other? It's like a conversation. When you click on a button or type something in the front end, sends a message or a request to the backend. So the backend gets that request, does what it needs to do, and then sends a response back to the front end. Think of it like a restaurant. The front end is the waiter, taking your order, and the backend is the kitchen, preparing your food. The waiter takes your order to the kitchen and then brings your food back to you. This is constant back and forth is how a website stays dynamic and works so fast. At first, these conversations was like sending a postcard. Anyone who intercepted could read it. This is not safe, especially for private information like passwords or credit card numbers. So, a secure version was created called HTTPS. The S stands for secure. HTTPS creates a private locked tunnel for all the information to travel through safety. This secure tunnel is set up through a special process called a handshake. It's like your browser and the website agreeing on a secret code for their conversations. First, the website shows its ID to your browser to prove it's the real site. Then, both uses that to create a secret key that only they know. From that moment on, all messages are scrambled or encrypted using that secret key. So if someone manages to see the messages, they will look like a jumble of nonsense. Your information stays completely private. Um, well, in conclusion, a website works with two main parts the visible front end and the hidden back end. They talk to each other to make things happen, and this entire conversation is made private and secure by HTTPS, which creates a special lock tunnel for your data. This whole process, for a simple click to a secure transaction, happens in a fraction of a second, making our online world fast, functional, trustworthy. Thank you.